guys, welcome back to another video where today we are playing Ranked 2. Now I've been working on this a bit. I know you will have seen that I've done this off camera, and I think I did a bit of that. But this is all the cars I have. In this one I started upgrading it with the fuel, as you could see, but I thought I'd leave it to upgrade with you guys, so let's get into this. Anyway guys, so yeah, let's get into this. I think I'll just upgrade everything like now. Oh, that's like... that is cool. Now I'm gonna get a ton of money, like whilst that looks really good. Whilst oh, I've only got 4 million left. Whilst like, cause I think I'll probably, I'll pause it, and then I will get exactly, so like where we go in this, I will pause it. Like, I'll show you the bit that I was always going to before. So there is a bit that is pretty hard, like, I'll show you it. This bit, but it's perfect now, it's fine, it's easy. And just down here was what I was getting to before. But I'm gonna show, like, here. Oh my god, this is destroying every single human in sight. This is like so fun. Here we go. Yes, guys. So I was just in the pool, like jumping in, like stuff. And then I came out because I'm gonna like literally jump in, like, you know when you go in a pool it's really cold, then when you're in it's like fine. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna die here just because I'll see how much money you get from it, because if you got 1 million, that is awesome. 518,000. That card looks sick. 518. Okay, I'll just use my boost to get to places. Jeez Louise, I didn't mean to use that. My armor. Damn. Oh. Okay, that kind of destroys armor, but it's fine. Oh, boost. Okay. How the hell? Yeah. It's like, this is like so good for like, because I just saved up a ton of money, then now I've literally upgraded everything. This is Destruction. I hope there is a place that you get 1 million, because then I can just go to that every single time. Look at that, that won't blow up. There we go. But you'll get a ton of money for that. Oh my god. It would be hard if police cars were actually like that. Wait, what if I like turn over here and die and see what, like, how much money would I get? No, I put it down a ton. Damn you. Yeah, as you can see, I'm already on day 352 because I was playing this so much. I really like the game, so yeah. This car's destroying literally everyone. Oh, the mad skills, brother. Heck yes, we still have boost. This is probably my favorite car yet, but we get a Lambo after this, so we get a Lamborghini, suckers. But I think it'll be hard to collect the money for the next car. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Okay, that's kind of one way to do it. No! 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 Yes! Oh guys, look at that! Oh yes. Okay. Oh yeah guys, skills. it blew up. I will fuel damn you. Oh no, I'm not out of boost though, am I? No. Out of boost. Well, I am actually out of boost. You can see the police door that just fell off. Oh my gosh. That's good. That's 900. Oh, if I can get there every single time. Brother. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna like go to there and then I get a million like each time. Because then that'll really help me for the next one with the Lamborghini. Because I had to save up so much to get this police car upgraded. Like, it would have taken like weeks for if I was filming and all. So it is good to do a bit of off-camera sometimes. Right. Yeah, once I get past that orange bit, I think you get like 1 million. Well, let's find out. But this car is destructive. Like, if the police turned this into their cars, like, this world would be fine. Like, no one would interrupt us. Like, we'd just be fine. Like, I don't think this car's ever gonna run out of fuel. Well, it did last time, but I want £1 million. No, die. No, I didn't want that to happen. Okay, I guess I'll just have to get the car. 1 million monies, that's good though. Garage. Never. No, okay. This was kind of easy since I got all that money, like this car, because I think I'll do that in the future. I'll just build up money because I don't always have the amount of time to make a video, or I've like made all the videos for one day, like I've made like 10 videos or something, and I don't really want to make like 3 of these videos in one day. But it is probably one of my favorite games. I am looking for other ones to play since I do keep running out of games to play. Like I played this game twice on one day and I didn't manage to play any others because it would have been better if I had another one to play. So I am looking. It's just I don't always have Wi-Fi here. The Wi-Fi is way better than our house as well. We were having Wi-Fi problems at our house. But yeah. How much money? I get like millions for this probably. I'm gonna stop right at the end and see what it does. It'll be funny if I got like 20 million and then each thing only costs like 1 million in the next one. Oh my god, they hang to your car. That's weird. I do not like them. Okay, they're dead. You know what? You could have told me 1 million. Yep, that's it. What if I just use this? There's things getting in the way with this because you're going so fast. And I get that's good. Like, anyway, guys, I think I will leave it here. Yeah. I will gather up tons of money for the next one because I'm sorted for this one round, I think. But for the next round, not so much, because it'll probably be like 10 millions. Anyway, bye. I will see you in the next video. Well, once I die. Which isn't gonna happen, is it? I'm just gonna jump in the pool after this. Too easy if you ask me. It actually wouldn't be too easy for normal people. They don't just collect up a ton of money. Woo! Damn mad skills. Oh, my fuel's nearly out. Okay. No, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh, fuel. Let's do this. No, they are not going on me. No, that's just I don't like that. Woo! So I got how much money from that? 1 million. Okay, I'll keep doing that. Anyway, guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.